Good morning, everyone. In this video, we'll continue with chapter 12, areas related to circles. We know that area of the sector is pi r square into theta by 360. Length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of the segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. That is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB for this figure. Let us continue with exercise 12.3, question number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn from with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. So over here you are having a triangle and a circle. We have to find the shaded region. Now, this particular sector that we have here, OCDE, this is common for both circle and triangle. So, we have to subtract this area and add triangle and circle in order to get the correct shaded area. So for this, first we know that for an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. So the central angle is 60 degree for the sector. For sector OCDE, area will be theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60, radius is 6 centimeter. So we get 132 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of triangle OAB is root 3 by 4 a square, that is side square. Side is 12 centimeter, so substituting we get 36 root 3 centimeter square. Now area of the circle is pi r square. Solving we get 792 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region is area of triangle plus area of circle minus area of the sector OCDE. Substituting the values, we get 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 centimeter square. Root 3 value is not given to us in this question, so we'll leave it as such. Moving on to the fifth question. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, so we have ABCD square of side 4 centimeter. On each corner, quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. So from all the four corners, quadrant of 1 centimeter. What do you mean by quadrant? 1/4 of a circle. So quadrant is being cut and in the center diameter 2, so radius 1 centimeter circle is cut. We have to find the area of the remaining portion of the square. So for that, now we know that each quadrant will have 90 degree because square has 90 degree on all the sides and radius is 1 centimeter. So area of each quadrant will be 90 by 316 into pi r square where r is 1. Substituting, we get the answer 22 by 28 centimeter square. Area of the square is side square, which will be 4 square, so 16. Area of circle is pi r square, where r is 1. So we get 22 by 7 centimeter square. Now with this, area of the shaded region can be found by area of square minus 4 times area of quadrant minus area of circle. So 16 minus 22 by 7 minus 4 times 22 by 28. So we get 68 by 7 centimeter square to be the area of the shaded region. That is whatever is remaining after cutting them. Moving on to the seventh question. In figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally two of the remaining three circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So we are having a square ABCD and with ABCD as center, we are having four circles in such a way that each circle touch two other circle externally. Okay, so if it is B, it is touching the circle with centers A and C. And it is in such a way that they both are touching externally. That means what? It's given that the square is of side 14. So the radius of each circle is going to be 7 centimeter. Now again, we know that For a square, angles are all 90°. So the area of sector formula is theta by 316 to pi r square. Theta is 90°, radius is 7. So when we substitute, we get 77 by 2 centimeter square. Area of the square ABCD is side square, so we get 196 centimeter square. We have to find the area of the shaded region, which is area of square minus 4 times area of each sector. So 196 minus 154 will be 42 centimeters square. This is the shaded region. So in this square, we are having 4 quadrants. If we remove the 4 quadrants from the square, we'll get the remaining shaded portion in the middle. That is what we have done over here. Now moving on to ninth question. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So this is the figure given to us. The radius is given to be 7 centimeter. OA, so OB, OC, OD all are 7 centimeter. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If the diameter is 7, then the radius is going to be 7 by 2, which is 3.5. Now we take the radius of the larger circle to be capital R, 7 centimeter. Radius of the smaller circle is small r, 7 by 2 centimeter. Now let us find area of the smaller circle, which is pi r square. When we substitute, we get the answer 77 by 2 centimeter square. Now area of the semicircle AECFB of larger circle we have to find. Why? Because we need these two shaded region. So we are taking the semicircle minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle, isn't it? Semicircle is also a sector. So we are using that formula. Now area of the semicircle is half pi r square, r capital because it's a bigger circle. So the radius is 7. When we substitute, we get 77 by 2 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC is half base into height, which is AB into OC. So half 14 into 7, you will get 49 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region is area of the smaller circle plus area of the semicircle AECFB minus area of triangle ABC. When we substitute, we get the answer as 66.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Now moving on to question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. We are asked to use pi to be 3.14 and root 3 to be 1.73205. Now, if the values are given, now root 3, 5 decimal points they have given the values. You are required to substitute all the digits. Don't round it off to 2 digits when you are solving when they have given the value. Okay, use the exact same value. Later on, after getting the answer, rounding off is different, but at the beginning, you should not round it off. Now, let A be the side of the equilateral triangle. It's given that area of the equilateral triangle is 17320.5 centimeter square. So root 3 by 4 side square is the given value. When we solve it, we get A to be 200 centimeters. Each sector is of measure 60° because it's an equilateral triangle. Now area of the sector ADEF will be theta by 316 to pi r square. Substituting theta as 60, r as 100, we get 15700 by 3 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region is area of the triangle minus 3 times area of each sector. So when we substitute that, we get the final answer to be 1620.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Now moving on to the 12th question, the figure is given in which OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB and shaded region also. So first, it's a quadrant, so the angle is 90°. Now area of the quadrant is theta by 316 to pi r square. Let us substitute. We'll get the answer to be 77 by 8 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of triangle OBD, half base into height, which is half OB into OD. When we substitute, we get 7 by 2 centimeter square. Then area of the shaded region will be equal to area of rock quadrant OACB minus area of triangle OBD. So when we substitute, we get the answer 49 by 8 centimeter square. Now moving on to 15th question. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. So here what we have is we have to find this shaded region. So for that, this is a semicircle. Now in a semicircle, we have to remove this part. Then we will get the shaded region. Now what is this part which we have to remove? That is the segment. How do we find segment? Sector minus triangle. So first we'll find sector minus triangle so that we'll get the segment. Then we'll find area of semicircle. We'll subtract the segment again. Whatever remains is the area of the shaded region. So let us go through it. Now for a quadrant, angle is going to be 90°, and in triangle ABC, B is 90, A is 90°. Therefore, it's a right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So when we solve it, we get BC to be 14 root 2. Radius R1 of the semicircle is 14 root 2 by 2, which is 7 root 2 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC is half base into height, half AB into AC. Half of 14 into 14 will be 98 centimeter square. Area of the sector is theta by 360 to pi r square. We get 154 centimeter square. Similarly, area of semicircle drawn on BC will be half pi r1 square. So half pi 7 root 2 whole square. Solving 154 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is area of semicircle on BC minus area of the segment. What is the area of the segment? Area of sector ABDC minus area of triangle ABC. So when we solve it, we get 98 centimeter square. Now, question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in figure common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Now, in this figure, if you see, A, B, C, E, this is a quadrant. Okay. So, in this quadrant, we need only this part. Okay. And from this quadrant, you need the other part. So, with this, we can find the shaded region, designed portion. So the designed area is the common area between the two sectors BAEC and DAFC. Now area of the sector BAEC is TT by 360 into pi r square. So when we substitute, we get 352 by 7 centimeter square. Area of triangle BAC is half base into height BA into BC, which is half 8 into 8. 32 centimeter square. Now area of the designed portion is 2 times area of segment AEC. That is 2 times area of sector BAEC minus area of triangle BAC. 2 times 352 by 7 minus 32. So finally we'll get the answer as 256 by 7 centimeter square. These are the homeworks for you based on this exercise. Okay, so with this, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you.